Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 2.3 of class 7. Okay, so let us see what is given in first question. In first question, it is written find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5 or 4 by 3. Okay, in mathematics meaning of is multiplication. Means if you have to replace this of sign, you have to simply insert multiplication sign. Okay, so first A number option is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. When we have to eliminate of, simply we will write down multiplication sign. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. So this is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Okay. Now B number option. B number is given 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Now again we have to eliminate this of. What we will write in place of? We will write multiplication sign. So numerator to numerator, 3 ones are 3 and 5 fours are 20. So 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 is 3 by 20. C number option, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So of means multiplication, 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. Or simply you can see here 4 and 4, numerator and denominator both are same. So we can cancel it out. So here it becomes 1 and 3 as it is. So answer is 1 by 3. Now let us see what we have to do in question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form is possible. This is the given question, fraction form. We have to multiply this fraction form and we have to reduce it to its lowest form if it is possible. So this is normal fraction, but this is a mixed fraction. We cannot multiply this fraction to mixed fraction. So what we have to do, we have to solve this mixed fraction. What is the rule for solving mixed fraction? 2 by 3 as it is. Here what we have to do? This we have to multiply and this we have to add. Means 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. And what is the denominator? Denominator is 3. So 2 by 3 as it is. After solving mixed fraction, what we get? We get 8 by 3. 2 8s are how much? 16. And 3 3s are how much? 9. So when we multiply 2 by 3 into 2 into 2 by 3, we will get 16 by 9. Okay. Same thing you have to do in question number 3. You have to multiply the given terms and you have to reduce it. Question 4 is different. Which one is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? This is again question, and of is also written here. Means when we eliminate of, we will write multiplication sign. Now see, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 means we have to multiply the terms. 3 2s are 6 and 7 4s are 28. Both are divisible by 2, so 2 3s are 6, 2 14s are 28. Okay, now next thing what is given? 3 by 8 of, 3 by 3 is 5 of 5 by 8. This thing is given. So 5 and 5 cancel out. What is remaining left? 3 and 8. So here it is written 3 by 8. Now here you can see both the denominators are different and we cannot say anything about two fractions if denominators are different. Here numerators are same 3 and 3, but denominators are different. So what we have to do? First we have to make it equal. Means we have to equalize the denominator. So what we will do? We will take out the LCM of this two denominator. First denominator is 14, second denominator is 8. And what is the LCM of 14 and 8? That is 56. Now after getting the LCM, what you have to do? You have to find out such number which when multiplied with denominator, then it will become 56. In both the cases, what number we should multiply here to make it 56, and same thing you have to do with 3 by 8. So when we multiply 4 and 14, we will get 56. Okay, but according to mathematic rule, the number which you have multiplied in denominator, same number you have to multiply in numerator. So here when we multiplied 4 in numerator also, we have to multiply 4. So 4 3s are 12 and 14 4s are 56. Okay. Now next one, what is written? 3 by 8. Again we have to find out such number which when multiplied with 8, it will give us 56. We know that 8 7s are how much? 56. Same number you have to multiply in numerator. 8 7s are 56 and 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now here you can see both the denominators are same. First one is 12 by 56 and second one is 21 by 56. Out of this you have to just see the numerator. Which numerator is greater? 21 is greater than 12 because denominators are same. So we can say that 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. Or we can say 21 by 56 means See, 21 by 56 means 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. And 3 by 8 is which one? 3 by 8 is 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. So according to that, 3 by 5 or 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Okay, so this is how you have to solve all next options of this question. Now let us see question number 5 of exercise 2.3. What is given? Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between the two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and last sapling. Okay. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row. So how many saplings? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the distance between the two adjacent row is 3 by 4. So how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And between two adjacent rows, what is the distance? Distance is 3 by 4 meter. And what is asked in the question? Question is given that what is the distance between the first and last sapling. So what we have to do? We have to add all the distance in between first to last sapling. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. When we reach A to D, we have to count 3 more rows. Okay, that is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. So the distance between the first and last sapling is A to D means 3 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. See, LCM is same, so we can write LCM as it is 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, so 9 by 4. Or one more method is here. You can see how many times 3 by 4 is written between A to D, 1, 2 and 3. 3 times 3 by 4 is written. So you can simply multiply 3 times 3 by 4. So here nothing is given means what you can place? You can place 1 in denominator. So 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4. And if you want to convert the fraction into mixed fraction, what do you have to do? You have to divide the term 4 to 9. 4 2s are 8. After subtraction, what is the remainder left? Remainder is 1. So here what we are writing? Here we are writing divisor, here we are writing quotient and here we are writing remainder. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4. So what is the distance between first and last sapling? Either you can write 9 by 4 or you can write in mixed fraction to 1 by 4 meter. Now moving towards question number 7 of exercise 2.3. See what is given in question. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 3 liter of petrol? Okay. Means it is given in 1 liter of petrol, car covers a distance of 16 km. So let us write distance covered using 1 liter of petrol, 16 km. Okay. And what is asked in the question? If in 1 liter of petrol car covers 16 km, so in 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol the car will cover how much distance? So in 2 3 by 4 liter car will cover 2 3 by 4 into 16. But see here, this is a normal whole number and that is the mixed fraction. We cannot multiply mixed fraction directly to this. So what we have to do? We have to solve this mixed fraction to normal fraction form. So what we have to do? This 2 we have to multiply and this 2 we have to add. So 4 2s are, this is 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. So here it comes 11 by 4. Now if nothing is written in denominator, we can place 1 in denominator. So here it becomes 16 by 1 into 11 by 4. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 4 11s are how much? 44 kilometers. So car will cover how much distance? In 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol, car will cover 44 kilometers. Okay, that is our answer. Let us see the last question of this exercise. Okay, what is given? Provide the number in the box such that when 2 divided by 3 is multiplied by that number, the resultant will be 10 by 30. And in second number option of that A, the simplest form of the number obtained is, okay, sorry, this is not B, this is A number first option, that is, and this is second option. Okay, so you have to find out such number when multiplied with 2 it will give us 10, and next number which when multiplied with 3 it will give us 30. So what is here? What we can write? 2 multiplied by 5 gives us 10. So what is the missing number in numerator? 5. And what we should multiply in 3 to get 30? When we multiply 10 in 3 we will simply get 30. So the missing number for numerator is 5 and for denominator is 10. So what is the missing box here? 5 by 10, because 2 5s are 10 and 3 10s are 30. This is the first option of it. Second option, we have to simplify the obtained number. What is the obtained number? That is 5 by 10. So both comes in table of 5. So we can simply divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So what is the simplified form? That is, simplest form is 1 by 2. So this is how you have to solve all the options of question number 8. I hope you all are getting the concepts which I am delivering in this video, and thank you students for watching my video.